Welcome to Days Behind, where we unveil the trivia and stories behind holidays and national days. Well, get ready for a special day. It is a day for a very famous number. This day comes every year on March 14. We write this date as 3 to 14 in many places. Do those numbers look familiar? They look just like the start of the number 3.14. That is why we call this day Pi Day. It is a day made for math, but it is also a day made for fun. People all over the world celebrate it. They celebrate with puzzles, games, delicious pies. It's a wonderful excuse to enjoy the playful side of mathematics and connect with a number that has fascinated people for centuries. So, let's get ready to cheer for Pi. Pi Day is an invitation. It invites everyone to look at math in a new way. You do not need to be a math genius. You just need to be a little curious. The day is designed to be friendly and fun. It takes a number that might seem complicated and makes it approachable. Get ready to explore the story of 3.14. Let's talk about the star of the show, Pi. What is this mysterious number? The idea is actually very simple. Pi is a special number that is all about circles. It shows the relationship between a circle's size and the distance around it. Imagine any circle, big, small. The distance all the way around the edge is called the circumference. The distance straight across the middle, passing through the center, is called the diameter. Pi is the number you get when you divide the circumference by the diameter. This rule is true for every single circle in the universe. It is a constant, unchanging truth. Here is a great way to picture it. Imagine you have a piece of string. Carefully wrap that string one time around the outside of a circular object like a can of soup. Snip the string so its length matches the circumference. Stretch it out straight. Use it to measure the diameter of the can. You'll see it covers the diameter a little more than 3 times. That little more than 3 is where the magic of pi lives. Try it yourself. So, how much is that little more? For quick calculations, we say pi 3.14. The first few digits of pi are 3.14159. But it does not stop there. In fact, it never stops. Pi is what mathematicians call an irrational number. It means the digits go on forever without repeating. People have used supercomputers to find trillions of digits. Pi is an ancient number, known for thousands of years. But celebrating it on a specific day is a much newer idea. The tradition of Pi Day as we know it began in the United States. It started at a wonderful place of science and curiosity. The Exploratorium, a hands-on science museum in San Francisco, held the first large-scale public Pi Day celebration. This fun event took place in 1988. A physicist at the museum named Larry Shaw organized the first celebration. He and his colleagues wanted to make math more engaging and fun for everyone visiting the museum that day. The choice of the date was a stroke of genius. March 14, written as 314, perfectly mirrors the first 3 digits of pi, 314. This clever connection was the spark that ignited the whole celebration. At the first event, museum staff and visitors marched in a circular parade. They sang songs about pi. They gathered around one of the museum's circular plaques. The whole atmosphere was like a festival. Of course, no Pi Day celebration would be complete without a playful nod to the name. The word pi sounds exactly like the word pie. The organizers at the Exploratorium embraced this happy coincidence. They served fruit pies to the participants after the parade and activities. This tradition was an instant hit. People bake apple pies, cherry pies, pizza pies. It adds a delicious and humorous layer to the day's events. The pun is simple, silly, and makes everyone smile. The celebration of Pi has grown into a truly global event. On March 14th, thanks to a proclamation by UNESCO, the world now celebrates the International Day of Mathematics. The goal is simple: math for everyone. It's a chance to highlight the beauty of mathematics, not as a difficult subject, but as a universal language. So this March 14th, join the worldwide party for numbers. Have fun, be curious, and enjoy your slice of pie. a celebration both infinitely long and perfectly round.